Now the reason why I play this Elon Musk, so I think Nigeria they ask for too much sometimes. Somebody started and from the beginning let us know. He say he own Afro talk, like he not the sing, now talk he they talk for music. He drop Elon Musk, drop Oba Pluto, drop ex-convict. Now the same thing. Ahead plus which other one for that AP. Then you can't expect say something when you want drop person, one different from the one we don't drop. If I don't understand you.
It be like say maybe they expect something else from Shea Vibe. Laptop, cameraman, cha.
But people are listening to it now.
So that is what I'm saying. Sometimes we just sometimes we over criticize some of all these things. You get me?
But we take on the car trips now.
I feel so. Now part of
before
the
what be Afro talk? If person tell you say I'm singing a song now, it's my own genre is Afro talks. What be that?
But also the more think can be sincere. When you listen to that, so what come to your mind?
No.
Say Sandali. I guess what?
Standard living. No. See the way R&B the ginger the singer.
No, na village school.
First of all, I think one of the things we were supposed to first ask ourselves, what be the definition of music?
Entertainment.
No, what is definition?
No, Naija definition.
Which one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or you talking about
Naija
definition?
Well, general definition day. Naija definition day.
So which one you dey ask us now?
Na general definition.
So what if your general definition of music?
Sound that is pleasant to the ears. Sound way sweet for ear.
See, the truth
you can be singing.
The truth is, as an artist, you decide the kind of artist where you want to be. You want to be commercial artist, or you want to be artist where they true to in own game.
Now, what for you?
Now a lot of
who
artists,
go be artists when no go be commercial?
Exactly. A lot of
in
artists
Naija
sabi single.
Yeah.
They sabi die.
But because the commercial
because
part of
the commercial part, what people like. And I see, Baba, I not blame Charlie Poppy. I like the guy.
No, I like him.
Modu Black. I love all of them because I think they are smart.
And they'll be the only two artists who blow this year. Hope you know.
Smart in the sense.
Okay, smart
in the sense that say they strategic.
Yeah,
they how to position them.
At least they know what thing then they do. Yes. They know what thing una like.
Yes.
And I also
no matter how you criticize them,
no
they
matter how
will
you
give you.
criticize it. I sometimes I feel say the guy go intentionally do song where go make you talk.
Which is a promo for him.
Which is a promo for him.
Because if people start to criticize us,
that's why you say that they smart.
Let me explain something to you. You know how distribution company take they pay you money? First of all, if you start to sing, they're not going to just begin to pay you money.
True.
No. You go down they sing, they spread your music, for like close to 6 months to 1 year. So that when time come when they want give you them, they go down to say you don't get,
a whole lot of records.
If you complain from now to tomorrow, it go help you. If I complain which kind of song, you go stream this song.
Because you want to know that kind of song.
Basically, we they try for Amebo. Now Amebo they drive.
So I think Charlie Poppy is smart.
Intentionally do.
It's intentional.
And you know, say this thing where you talk. Join with people when they diaspora. The people when they diaspora, they always they want to know what they go on for you.
So they pay attention.
So they go fit.
My brother Charlie Poppy, let me tell you the next one you are going to sing. Now, you are singing Sandalili. Now, please take this word as it's coming out from my mouth. I am a naked wire from above. I am a high tension from above. If you touch me, Charlie Poppy, I will shock you. I am a naked wire from above.
But when Titi Polly go enter.
No, Titi Polly another song. They call me Charlie Poppy. My baby, Pluto Presido. I see my baby fine. My baby say, why you like me? I say, baby, I know why. Because you're tempale.
Nedu, they're supposed to feature you. No. I swear, they're supposed to. Nedu, no, let's. Nedu, no, enter studio. I go supervise. I go arrange it.
No,
then you go date now. Who go they sing that hook?
Anyway, so over the weekend, all of us have been Whiskey, Tilbury, Imama. So at first, from the first day and second day, you know how Nigeria always pop. No, just imagine. No entertainer came for Wizkid, Mother's Brother. It speaks a lot about him. That's why he's not Davido. Now say this one the first one I can't do like the second one I think the family settings too. You get me? Not be waiting you want make friends and where we shall pull come until Friday when they come do the main burial, which everybody was invited. From Banky W to One Day Co to a whole lot of other artists pull up and even online celebrities talking, brother. No, they talk. Guess what they come focus on. Naija they go right now. Guess what they come? Oh, look at how all of them were properly dressed. They did not show cleavages. They cover everywhere up. It shows that when a king invites you for a
party, go down.
Make I tell you something.
We be the real definition of anywhere benefits now.
I'll tell you something. We people don't understand. You see, I go say something before I talk with you. When you dey climb up, I posted for my Instagram story yesterday.
Yeah. Okay.
When you dey climb up, people go dey clap for you, they root for you. All the way. Because they see themselves inside you.
You put them for your WhatsApp.
I put them, yes. Because they see themselves inside you. Then when they don't clap for you, when you don't reach up,
they
go begin to want to hear you come down.
Yes, because now you they remind them
of waiting they not do to get to where you did. Let me tell you the truth. People not they see waiting there for them front. They see waiting they want see. It get point when it be say people me. I might use myself as an example. Permit me to use my. Can I use
you
myself?
You are free, my brother.
People see Sister Nkechi, Sister Nkechi, and they do Sister Nkechi. They do like woman too much. People like say too like woman. Sister Nkechi come. Alhaji Musa, this guy too like nyach. He too like woman. Waiting happen. Landlord come, he too like woman. Jato come, he too like woman. Podcast come. Why does this guy hate women?
I see.
Now, what it be the thing where I don't even talk about the women for inside the podcast? What make you feel say I not be things supposed to uplift the women?
Thank you, because now truth.
Because
not bodies like truth is not pretty.
Okay,
it's
you
naked.
Hold on. People not like them. Now, make I tell you why. The truth is, what make me talk to this in RNB? People go always talk.
Complain.
Yes.
They must complain. If
you die, they say you not die well.
You not die well.
Yes. That's true now.
Now the person will talk that thing. Now Cynthia Morgan. I see the post now. He say, can you imagine no celebrity came out for this one? No. Baba, me.
Why she not came out?
Baba, I be like Wizkid when it comes to you talking to me about me for online.
Wizkid like, you don't say Wizkid like far when they pour water for it, but it don't they go. You don't see I'm trying that it don't maintain.
After nothing sweets me past say you insult, no go reply. Then later you can't say that insult now yourself you actually insult.
And now you say, oh,
you know, so at a point they even start to compare this burial to Obi Kubana.
Yes,
like for real.
Like for real. No, I beg.
Comparison.
Why are you taking away from the person mama wey die?
I think God beg una. Is it that we not get workers?
They not get. Not be BB. Then be they attack our BB
for
a labor something. Then they attack and say, why will you say that about Sisi?
So this now what I
una not get work.
Nedu, this now what I think. So there is always an empty void or a void. You get me?
And
so human beings always look for something to take feed that void.
Not be lying,
now why you know say waiting concern or not concern us, we want put mouth inside because there's that emptiness inside of us.
No, I'm not blame them now because and you know say Instagram like they chop data, all these social media platforms, they chop data. We they cry say money not there. You know how much people they spend.
I
they tell you go sit down these apps, this media app for hours.
Why they feel say now Wizkid tell people say may their dressing they decent?
The question why I want to ask you, the question why I want to talk, the way I want to talk now say, my brother, even if Wizkid tell them to dress with decent, even if Wizkid not tell them to dress decent, how it they concern you?
And especially when I bury.
Now, but how it
not be wedding?
I keep asking this question: how it concern you? He add money for your pocket. How he add value to you?
No.
You just want talk.
But funny enough, for me, in the past, I never really see any burial ceremony where people they
open body.
Why you go open body for burial ceremony?
It goes without saying. Yeah, nobody need to tell you.
It goes without saying.
Nobody need to tell you.
Not be birthday.
Not be events. Not be events. Nothing.
No, very soon now they go to say, can you imagine the meat where they serve for the DT? It be like
nourish everybody.
It be like Maggie cube. They not serve.
Actually, now wait till they wait. Yes, they must stop.
If they see you now, RNB. Some go say, fine boy. Some go say,
waiting fine there.
Waiting fine there. I beg. This is where your plate head. Nobody know what they do now.
Whether
if you say that the other way.
Thank you.
They don't talk. They don't talk. They be Yahoo.
They
do Yahoo.
Wait.
I
don't understand.
Even you get very rich. I see that for myself. People you cook mustard is Yahoo.
My brother,
they use all your rub my mouth.
Why you point to me?
Now you be advocate of
the truth be say, it's all of an way they there. The truth be say, all of an way they there. You not get waiting. We go talk. We go make human beings. As R&B TikTok say, once void, they want space. You go always find something to fill them. The question where you go ask yourself, say that space where you want feel, you go add value to you to fill them with what you did do. If not go add value to you,
why stress yourself over
it? They don't ask those questions.
Some people just want gossip, nothing to talk about.
You never hear the ones who do party because Davido born twins. People they carry on top of their head. They say, for you.
Are you serious?
Oh my God.
I never see that.
You never see?
No.
So somebody, one of our caller, I think he listening.
Yes.
I don't know. So one of our caller called me on Friday.
Did they carry on for it?
They call. They remind me. They do So 2 calls that I received on Friday morning when I not come work. I day off. So one of our caller called. So the first one was say, they remember the dream when I thought say I get up. Say truly happen. Say this and that. Say he called the beg me make a dream about her too. Now say Choma they will not make me make a dream about her. Say they bought twins for February. You get which one? Now February I talk. So after I finish, I said I drop my phone. It be like the two of them planner. I don't know if they know each other. The other one call me. He said right now, say that dream when I talking don't buy beer for everybody. Why you buy beer for everybody? He said they celebrate. I said you know you don't related to the family.
They don't know.
No. He said I want just celebrate all men.
Yes.
Hey, I'm not been talking to this.
The British they say it's just they happy for them.
I think to an extent I won't understand. Say maybe they
fan
happy for
fan love. Not fan love. But to throw a whole party,
you not go to look.
You cook, buy drink.
That one to na fan love.
Nah. So show you say I'm just telling you the ones that they complain on top whiskey, Mama Bella. The ones where they do.
But you know the one where I go talk about. Me nobody vex. So. More no. If una fit drag me, I'm used to it. But the question why I want to ask, I think sometimes the void where R&B talk, where would they feel? Make you feel them with something really beneficial to you
to
and
everybody.
those with around you. It can one day for Abuja. Me and most material of us gather, we go shoot. That time this reality TV show they go on. Not being one day. This person, he could just sit down. He's supposed to follow a shoot. If for some reason he not shoot because he now woman he not follow us shoot and now good actor he not follow us shoot. He say this one not do, we just leave him. I either say I don't know why, but I can't remember the reason exactly. He just sit down, they watch the reality TV show, R&B not being for night around 2 a.m. Come downstairs because the apartment was in an duplex. We come downstairs. We see and sit down. They watch these people. They sleep.
You are always kidding me.
Person wanna say me go shoot film.
Yeah, they watch them. They sleep.
You know,
I can't say. I don't remember. I say, my sister, waiting happen. Why you not there? Are you okay? You not supposed they sleep.
What did he answer you?
He say now this can't time nice some things they happen.
So you want them there to see? Nedu, no. No.
Not be joke. Oh, you think say only how they watch the people they sleep?
No, a lot of them.
She actually open her mouth tell you.
Yes, so now that they go just on TV, just they watch this. So what I make when you wake up in the morning, you go to see video. Now they post the video what you have over there. You come wonder how come me not see because you don't sleep because you get work the next day.
Maybe the person where they wait to sleep, maybe not blogger.
As say na their page handler too now.
Maybe na their page handler.
So everybody come be page handler.
Maybe not page handler. Because they try make sense
out of
farm. Maybe either say the person a blogger, they try get first hand information.
This thing where you talk.
Or na the handler.
It remind me, or it go shock you if you hear names of people they do this thing.
There plenty.
The person go leave shoot just because you want to see who's going tonight.
No.
So what be the reason why she give you for not joining?
You say whether something will happen.
I don't even feel remember. You say just one.
You would think carry you come downstairs.
No, you know sometimes. I know if you not eat sleep,
yes.
you tired, you just wake, just sleep.
Yes,
hunger feel wake you up.
Yes.
So now hunger wake me up, make I go kitchen. I see him sit down, carry duvet, cover for leg. They watch the thing. I say, but why you not sleep? Why you know
RNB?
Why you know they sleep? He say because in one see them catch the one see when something go. Say this contestant and this contestant. The way they talk to themselves. Say something happen. Say see this bedsheet go begin shake now.
Imagine if that's what they do.
I mean, if it makes sense out of them. I can say, but even if then they do,
how it affect you?
How it take affect you?
Exactly.
No, you know it think go far now.
How you take put money for your pocket? I mean, now beautiful thing for you to watch them.
I say I'm about the ginger. In 1 year and so she go tell her friend where una dey. You don't know what you are missing. Please, you didn't work up. When you finish, listen to me. Matt, Jesus.
You do aeroplane, no doubt.
You want me the first person to announce?
Yes.
You
don't need money.
Blogger.
No.
You understand.
Small time and I go carry phone and say, I want to tell you what happened.
But you see, last, anything will make you happy. If not, they watch them sleep. If not, they talk about other people, they make you happy.
But don't use that you are ready to spoil that person. If you know they sleep for night, no country in the daytime, they do like this. They do like this way you
supposed because if we start to talk Nigerian matter, we not come especially
why na she talk now? Wait. Why you because you get
no be
because you get
see sometimes
this is marginalization of those we not get.
Wait, no, not be like that. I remember one time like that. If my mother don't serve us food, maybe she serve herself and we don't finish our own, we go still go meet and say we want from my own. She can't tell her that time she go can't tell us say oh you to Jale.
Maybe that's when she tell you over and over and I make your own bomb come be.
No, this one na jeans, na good jeans.
Because Becca behind God that beg.
No nonsense.
Becca, it's a site to build.
Bye. Akindele, aka